na excited na kayo makilala ang ating fantastic guest for this day. Kaya panoorin natin to.
Handa na siyang makipagkulitan ng Mrs. Philippines International 2025 na si Cherry May Ocampo.
Mga ka-fun and love, please welcome ang ating fantastic guest for this day, ang Mrs. Philippines International 2025, Miss Cherry May Ocampo. Wow! Napakaganda naman. Pleased to meet you, Mrs. Philippines. Have a seat, ma'am, and welcome sa aming show. At syempre, bago po yan, bumati naman muna kayo, ma'am, sa ating mga naggagandahang viewers mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao or nasan man sila around the world.
Hello po sa mga taga Cebu. Ako po si Cherry May Ocampo, the newly crowned Mrs. Philippines International 2025. Hi din po kay Lolo Mike.
Wow, Bisaya di ay ka, ma'am, from Cebu. Wow.
Very Bisaya.
Oh, batiin mo, ma'am, ating mga Bisaya viewers, ma'am.
Maayong buntag sa fellow Cebuanons nako, mga followers and friends. Naano ko dire. I made it.
Wow.
I'm so happy
And
to be
congratulations, ma'am. We finally made it kasi you're not just making it as one, pero you're making it as a Filipino, di
That's
ba?
right.
Tama. And syempre, ma'am, pagsimulan na natin agad-agad, no? After nitong Mrs. Philippines International, ano na po yung pinagkakaabalahan nyo ngayon?
Magpe-prepare na po ako for the next year's competition, which will be the Mrs. International 2026.
Wow.
I will be representing Philippines in Singapore.
Wow. And how was the preparation, ma'am?
Kasi nagsimula ako sa Mrs. Cebu. I was crowned last year for Mrs. Cebu before ako ni-represent sa Mrs. Philippines. Maraming diet.
Maraming diet.
Yeah.
Oo, that's part of the preparations, no?
Yes. Because technically, hindi talaga ako nagpa-pageant.
So
Na-discover
this is
lang
your
ako.
first time?
Mrs. Cebu was the first time.
Wow!
Yeah.
Ito was a huge crowd. Tapos imagine, you were crowned as Mrs. Philippines International. Kamusta ang feeling, ma'am? Na ang dami mong natalo kasi for sure, madami kang mga veteranang sumali doon na nagpa-pageant na.
Masaya kasi ako nagpo-focus lang ako sa performance ko. I just want to do my best all the time. Yun lang ang focus ko. And ako naman kasi yung klase ng tao na if after doing my best, tapos may mas magaling pa, well, that's okay. Basta wala lang akong regret sa buhay ko, masaya na ako doon.
Tama. We just have to learn to clap for others' victory. Sabi nga nila,
That
ma'am,
is
di ba?
right.
And that night is your night. Dahil nandito ka ngayon, di ba? Pero being Mrs. Philippine International, ma'am, was it really hard of being a mother and having that crowned?
I feel so blessed kasi I have all the support around me, yung pamilya ko, yung mga tao ko. So, hindi siya ganong mahirap i-juggle kasi I have the best support system din.
Wow, that's really good.
Yes.
Oo. Kasi yun yung pinaka-importante, no? Yung support system.
Correct.
Diba? Pero kung ikaw ang papipiliin, ma'am, Mrs. Philippine International or Best Mom?
Mahirap yan,
Diba?
diba? Well, ang Mrs. Philippines International kasi, it's an opportunity that you cannot miss.
Yes.
Pero yung mommy naman, andyan naman kasi lagi yan from the very beginning. So, I'm very proud as well na I'm a single mom kasi of 3 kids.
Wow.
So, I'm not getting any support from the dad of my kids, but God is good. So, God always provides for us, which is, I'm very, very thankful.
Thankful. And ngayon lang namin na-discover, ma'am, no, na hindi ka lang beauty queen, but you're also a super woman. Diba?
Thank
Mahirap
you.
po ba ang pagiging isang single mom?
Mahirap naman talaga kasi, di ba, kahit anong aspeto ng buhay. But, yung hugot ko kasi lagi is to give the best life. Not only for me, but for my kids. I don't settle for less. I don't settle for mediocrity because I always strive for excellence.
Wow.
So, gusto kong bigyan ng magandang buhay yung mga anak ko. Tapos, nag-focus lang ako kung paano gagawin yon. And wala naman talagang madali. But ayan, andyan kasi si God na laging gumagabay at laging nagbe-bless.
Wow.
Ayun. Kaya I'm very thankful talaga sa lahat ng nangyayari ngayon.
No wonder, ma'am, kung bakit ikaw yung representative namin. Kasi napakalawak ng outline mo sa buhay, yung perspective
Thank you.
mo. Sobrang talaga, alam mo yung parang habang nagsasalita, yung tipong nakatitig lang tayo lahat. Lahat kami dito sa studio, di ba? Pero para sa iyo, ma'am, ano po ba ang isang the best katangian ng pagiging isang momshi?
Para sa akin, ang best katangian ng pagiging isang momshi ay yung pagiging resilient. Kasi kung maparaan ka sa buhay, magagawa mo lahat eh. Tsaka, it all boils down on how much dedication and love you have for your kids.
Wow. Napakaganda. Yes, that is right po. Pero dito, ma'am, no, nabanggit ninyo na first time ninyong sumali sa isang beauty pageant. Ano yung
Yes.
nag-inspire sa iyo para pasukin to?
Ever since naman, I love to inspire people around me. Pro-woman kasi talaga ako eh.
Okay.
So, I was invited to join the pageant. So, ako kasi, pag may oportunidad na dumarating, go lang ako ng go. Kahit hindi ko siya alam gawin, pinifigure out ko na lang na pag nandyan na ako, I'll just, promise to do my best talaga.
Pero so
Yeah.
far, how was the experience, ma'am? Joining the pageant?
Hindi ko talaga kasi alam na madarating ko, makakarating ako
Commitment.
dito,
Yes.
yung mapapanalunan ko yung mga main crowns.
From Cebu?
Yeah, it's truly a 365 opportunity na nagbago talaga yung buhay ko. Na dati kasi nag-i-inspire lang ako yung mga tao ko, yung mga kaibigan ko. But now, I'm getting a lot of messages na I'm inspiring, a lot of people sa buong Pilipinas. So, ang nakakataba ng puso talaga.
Oo, tama po yun, ma'am. No? Pero ito, ma'am, ano po ba yung mga pinaka-struggle na naranasan mo sa pageant na mai-share mo sa ating mga momshi?
Ang pinaka-struggle lang talaga is yung time management din. Tsaka, you cannot please everyone eh. Meron kasi talagang magdi-disagree. Merong, of course, it's already digital age. We have bashers, mga ganon.
Hindi talaga mawawala.
Yes, hindi talaga mawawala yun. Ano lang talaga, what I can advise is, focus ka lang talaga sa goal mo. Huwag kang magpapadistract because at the end of the day, kilala mo yung sarili mo eh. You have a good heart.
Tama.
Yes.
Pero ma'am, nung moment, balikan natin yung moment, ma'am, na ina-announce na yung winners. May pakiramdam ka ba or kutob ka ba na ikaw yung mananalo?
Wala talaga.
As in clueless.
Kasi pag sa every pageant kasi, focus lang ako sa sarili ko. So I was not looking at others performance. So I cannot compare.
Yes,
Yon. Parang
You were busy improving your craft, no? Sabi nga.
Yes, I'm so busy focusing on my own performance na hindi ako magkamali, yung mga ganon. Because one of the reasons why I joined pageant is also yung may stage fright kasi ako.
Oh.
Yeah, so I want to overcome that.
Oo. Ito
Yes.
yung naging daan.
Yes.
Pero so nung tinawag na yung pangalan nyo, ma'am, as Mrs. Philippines International, ano yung unang-unang naramdaman mo?
Nagsisisigaw talaga ako.
Ah.
Gulat na gulat ako kasi hindi yung nagpa-flashback yung experience ko na hindi ko naman talaga hilig yung pageant. Tapos andito na ako. Tapos, wow, mag-international na ako next year. Parang, oh my gosh.
Tapos
ganun.
imagine, one time lang na sumali ka, ma'am, nakuha mo kaagad yung crown.
Yes.
Pero ito, ma'am, aside sa pagiging beauty queen, ano ba ang pinagkakaabalahan natin?
I have my own business.
Wow.
Yeah, may maliit ako na call center. I also sell jewelries and luxury bags, Affordable Diamond Cebu. And part owner din ako ng coffee shop sa Bukidnon, which is the Scoop Coffee Shop.
Wow, ang dami naman pala talagang superwoman talaga, no, na maitatawag natin. So, joining the pageant, ma'am, at saka itong mga businesses na venture na pinapasok natin, ano ba yung advocacy mo as Mrs. Philippine International?
as I've said a while ago, no, nag-empower talaga ako ng mga tao sa paligid ko. So, my advocacy is Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Act of 2004. So, this is to protect women and children.
Oo, yes.
Yun, sa
Oo.
physical and psychological abuse.
Oo. I think marami nga mga organization na ganyan, ma'am, na mas pinopromote pa yung women empowerment and women protection.
Yes.
Children and women, ayan. Pero dito ba, ma'am, meron ka bang ma-share na pinagdaanan mo sa buhay na masaya at malungkot na kung bakit ganito ka ka-strong ngayon?
Siguro sa mga past relationships ko talaga, yung hugot. Kasi I didn't experience physical violence though, but the emotional and psychological attack sa akin. Kasi I've been a strong and confident woman ever since. But when I experienced that psychological violence before, nawawala talaga yung confidence mo sa sarili mo.
Oo, totoo.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, ano lang, it all boils down on paano mo nakilala yung sarili mo talaga.
Regaining your confidence, no?
Yes.
Tama.
Very true.
Oo. Pero eto ba, ma'am, ay may pagdadalawang isip ba at first na sumali ka? Kasi syempre, alam na natin na kapag sumali ka at ngayon nanalo ka, posibleng mabukas yung buhay mo sa publiko.
I'm very ready for that actually. Kasi ever since naman, bukas talaga yung buhay ko sa public. Hindi ako, my life has always been an open,
Open
closet.
book.
Yeah. So, I'm very ready for everything. And once I decide na go na talaga at paninindigan ko talaga siya.
Wow. Pero eto, ma'am, di ba? Alam natin na maraming nagsusupport, pero hindi natin maiiwasan na may mga bashers, di ba?
Yes.
How do you handle them?
I normally ignore talaga and focus lang on positivity talaga sa buhay.
Wow, that's
Yes.
good. Kasi hindi naman sila makakatulong.
That's
Diba?
right. That's right.
Pero para sa iyo, ma'am, no, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng isang beauty queen?
Para sa akin, ang beauty queen talaga is not just, matalino ka or maganda ka, but it's really being true to yourself, having a big heart. Yun talaga. Kasi we grow old, 'di ba? Nawawala yung physical na ganda.
Tama.
But yung puso mo talaga na tumulong at mag-inspire ng mga tao, andyan na yan eh.
Yan yung maglalas at that will leave us a legacy.
Yes.
Tama. Pero balita ko, ma'am, no, madami ka din daw natanggap na special awards.
Yes.
Wow,
Ron.
ano-ano yung mga awards na to, ma'am?
Sa Mrs. Philippines, Best in Advocacy,
Wow.
Best in Interview, Mrs. Charity. I also won the Silver Award for Darling of the Press during
Wow.
our press con. Nakalimutan ko na isa.
Grabe, parang puro wow na lang yung sinabi ko. Parang nakatitig na lang ako kay ma'am, no? Pero sa dami ng napanalunan mo, talaga nga naman para sa'yo talaga yung crown, di ba? Pero syempre, Miss Sherry, hindi naman pwedeng hindi namin makita ang inyong queen walk, di ba? Pwede mo ba kaming mapagbigyan?
Sure.
Yan. At syempre, Miss Sherry, music guys, please. Patayuin muna natin ang ating Mrs. Philippines International.
Everybody line up! The show is about to start!
Wow! Tunay na queen of talent at queen of inspiration ng ating fantastic guest na si Miss Sherry May. Pero ito na po ang iyong chance na magpasalamat, mag-shoutout sa iyong mga supporters as Mrs. Philippines International Grand Winner 2025. Ayan.
Maraming salamat po sa suporta. I'm truly very overwhelmed sa lahat ng pagmamahal at suporta nyo sa akin. Simula pa nung Mrs. Cebu last year hanggang ngayon Mrs. Philippines. Binabati ko rin po mga fellow Cebuanos, friends, family. Ang saya ko dahil hindi ako nag-iisa sa laban. Andyan kayo, nagmamahal sa akin. At huwag niyo po akong continue to support me for Mrs. Philippines International 2026 next year on in Singapore, rather.
Wow. Kaya naman, congratulations, ma'am.
you.
Sa ngayon pa lang. And please bring home the crowd.
I will try my best.
You will try your
Lagi ko yan sinasabi.
Yes. Kaya naman, huwag maglilipat ng channel dahil may susunod pa tayong fantastic guest. Queen na makakasama sa pagbabalik yan ng iyong programang sigurado ang fun at sure na sure ang laugh. Ang fun and laugh with Ron.
Thank you for having me here,
Thank you.
Ron.
Thank you.
Fun and laugh at na ma-enjoy mo. Fun and laugh, masaya